Hello friends, hope you are doing well. As you know, we always bring you interesting videos for you. So today we will talk about trucks. In the world of pickups, few names command as much respect and admiration as the Ford F-Series. With a rich heritage spanning over 7 decades, the F-Series trucks have become synonymous with power, performance, and dependability. From worksite workhorses to family-friendly haulers, these trucks have consistently set the standard for excellence in the automotive industry. Let's delve into the fascinating world of the Ford F-Series and explore what makes them such enduring icons of American craftsmanship. Here is the list of some popular models of Ford F-Series 1. Ford F-150. Ford F-250 Super Duty. Ford F-350 Super Duty. 4. Ford F-450 Super Duty. 5. Ford F-550 Super Duty Chassis. 6. Ford F-650 Medium Duty Trucks. 7. Ford F-750 Medium Duty Truck. 'Hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome trucks and cars content. We will back with other video, and thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.